Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use CapCut AI cutout features. So if you want to remove background from videos or isolate a subject, just follow. First open CapCut and then tap the new project. After that, import your photo or video into the timeline. Now tap on your clip and then look for cutout in the bottom menu. If you see remove background or cutout, tap on it. Some versions of CapCut have an AI option that automatically removes the background in one click. If you don't see it, don't worry, it just means your version doesn't have the free AI feature yet. In that case, CapCut will still process the subject and remove the background manually with available tools. Once it's done, you can adjust the edges and clean up many rough areas. You can also add a new background like an image, video, or solid color. Then preview your edit to make sure everything looks smooth. If you're happy with it, tap export and save your video in high quality. So that was how to use CapCut cutout features on different versions of the app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.